Hello, my name is Hailin Zhang. I'm a professor of soil science, also serve as the director of the Soil, Water, and Forage Analytical Laboratory. Today I'm going to visit with you about water testing. As you know, water quality is very important for human and livestock consumption. It is also important for soil and plant quality. So whenever you want to know what kind of water you have, what treatment you need to have, you need to get the water tested. The first thing when you test is to find out what kind of test you want to do. We have livestock water, irrigation water, and household, these three types of testing. But if you want to know if it's good for drinking or not, you need to find another laboratory certified by Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality, which can analyze for E. coli or bacteria. Now let's get started. If you want to analyze your water for your domestic use, like if you need a softener or not, basically you let the faucet run for a few minutes, and then you rinse the bottle with the water several times. That way the container is clean. Also, you need to use the container from the laboratory. We distribute all bottles at the county extension office. You can grab this bottle there and some other information. So collect about half full and let it run for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then fill it up. Cap it tightly and then label it. Drop at the county extension office. They will forward this sample to our lab. We'll do the test. You ask whether it's irrigation, livestock, or household uses. Okay. Now, if you want to see if your tap water has E. coli or bacteria or not, you need to find a bottle with a sterile palate inside. Okay. Do not open this bottle until you use. In this case, you need to remove this aerator using rubbing alcohol to clean this faucet, okay, first. Then let it run and collect the samples in these vials and cap it. If you want to see if you have lead or copper contamination from your plumbing, you do not let the water run. You want the water just from the beginning. That way the matters will be accumulated from the first few seconds of the running water and then collect that way. Well, we have a water sample collected and analyzed by a lab. The next step is to get the report and find out what kind of results you have in your samples. Each customer, like county extension office, has their unique customer code and a password. So they go online, find their appropriate test. In this case, is a water test. And we have quite a few here for Oklahoma County. Let's just pick one here. So this report is for a household water test. Basically, here are the items we tested. Here are the test results. The last column comparing the results with EPA drinking water standards. Now, as you can see here, some of them have no guidelines. Others have limits. For example, nitrate is very important. It has to be less than 10 parts per million to be able to drink. This one is pretty low, so we are safe there. And there are other items here like hardness. This is what people use to decide whether they need a water softener or not, or how large a softener they need to have. However, we do not test for E. coli. There are other type of water tests also available from here such as this one is for irrigation. Now the interpretation is different from household. And then we have water test for livestock. The guidelines for livestock are also different. As you can see, the interpretations here are limited. Fortunately, we have another program. This program is more capable in terms give you a better interpretation. So basically you go to the website, select Oklahoma. There are other states also joining this program. Find the types of water test interpretation you want. Let's say we pick drinking water. So you just enter the test results from any lab. For example, nitrate, 20 ppm. Okay, and others you can enter too. Then you just submit. Okay, it tells you this water is not good for drinking. It's objectional. Here tells you the limit should be, and then here tells you the reasons why this water is bad. If you want to need more information why nitrate is considered contaminants, you can read some of the information here. Well, this is a brief summary of how to collect water sample for analysis and how to read your water test reports. If you need additional information on different water tests, visit your county extension offices. Also, you may contact Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality for drinking water related issues.